Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my big fat tummy. New post is equal to new recipe. Today we are going to make these crispy chicken finger. Although they are meant to be eaten easily with your fingers, the name has probably come from that. Let's see what we need. I have taken here about 200 gram of boneless chicken, 4 green chilies, 1 medium-sized onion, some chopped ginger, and 11 to 12 cloves of garlic. Apart from this, you need 3 bread. Now I am going to cut the edges of the breads. Now cut this into 4 equal halves. Let's make the breadcrumbs first. Taking a mixer bowl, adding the breads. Mix this dry, don't add any kind of water or liquid thing. Now we'll grind this into dust form. So this is the breadcrumbs. You can see that this is completely dry. Now here I am adding the 200 gram of chicken. Now adding onion, green chilies, ginger and garlics. Then add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Then salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Adding about 1 teaspoon of oil. Let's grind this to a fine paste. Our fine paste has been prepared. Now in a bowl I have taken an egg and added some amount of salt and a pinch of black pepper powder. Into that bowl I am just adding about 3 tablespoons of milk. If you don't want to add the milk, you can add another egg as well. Beat this mixture very well. In a plate I have taken breadcrumbs. These are the purchased one. Here I have added a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. This is our paste. Taking a little amount of oil on the palm of my hand. Now in this paste I am squeezing half lemon. Then knead this very well. After doing so, taking a small portion from it, and now with a just simple pressure, I am making the chicken fingers. This is the appropriate size of a chicken finger. In the same procedure, I am making the rest. Now it's time to coat our fingers. First of all, dip this into the egg and milk mixture. After doing so, put a coat on this. Repeat this for another time. If you want the chicken fingers with a thick layer, then do this for at least 3 times. Don't press much, just give a small pressure so that the breadcrumbs gently stick to the fingers. Here goes all the fingers. Now I have taken a tiffin box, or you can take any kind of storage container. Then place a tissue paper or a napkin over it. After doing so, place all the chicken fingers. Then store this container in the refrigerator for minimum half an hour. You can also store this for at least 1 month. So this is one-time hard work and you can enjoy for at least 1 month. I have kept all the chicken fingers for 1 hour, and now in a pan I have added about 2 cups of oil. Put oil in such a way that your chicken fingers completely dips into that. Now fry this under low flame. So the chicken fingers have turned into golden brown, and now I'm going to put the flame off and let's serve this hot. Here goes our chicken fingers. Let's have this with kasundi or some mayonnaise or your favorite dips. So lovelies, did you enjoy this video? Hope this video will be helpful to you, and on the very next day you will try this out as your evening snacks. If you are liking my work, then please show a thumbs up and please comment about the recipes and my effort, and also try to share these recipes as much as you can. We'll come soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, stay tuned and keep supporting me. Take care, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and yes, stay safe.